Hello everyone, this is Muskan Ganglani and welcome back to Hoiko. Today I'll be showing you the different types of views you can view your board in. So when you open your Hoiko and open any of your boards, like I am doing right here, so the first default view you can see of your board is in this form, and this form is called the Kanban view. When you click on any of the rows, so the rows are shown in this form as you see over here, and these are all the types of views. When you go on top and click on the second option, so the Kanban view is the default view. Then the first view you can see over here is the table form. This is the table form. It has columns and rows. Those were the columns, and if you go down, these are the rows. You can add how many ever columns or rows you require, and you can click on them and you can edit them like this. So this table view is the best view to work with, and then the second one over here is the form view. So the form view is seen as a form. So every row you can work with is in the view of a form, and every column over here, as you can see, project, owner, priority, these are all the columns you have, and these are shown in total in a form view, and you can click on them and work with it anytime. And then you can see every row over here is in the form view, and then you can click on it and edit it like this, and you can work with every row individually. The next one is Kanban view, which I already showed you by default, and then the fourth one is calendar view. So the calendar view is a view where you can see all your reminders, and you can see the whole year's calendar over here, and the red dot you see is the reminder to give you the task reminders if you have any. And then the last one is custom view. So the custom view is not seen in the app, and you can see it in our website. You can go to our website, and in Kanban view also you can see Kanban view in a very different and colorful way in our website. So these were all the views you can view your boards in Hoiko, and you can change your views in whatever form you need or you require according to your job. And stay tuned to know more. I'll be teaching you more about Hoiko and how to use it and make your life better in different videos. Thank you.